Welcome to Quiz Nation. I'm Jenny. Let's play.
20 English Vocabulary Quiz. What is the term for a person who writes books? Illustrator, author, editor. Author. What do you call the season when leaves fall from the trees? Spring? Autumn? Winter? Autumn. What do you call a person who cooks food in a restaurant? Waiter? Chef? Farmer? Chef. How do you describe someone who can't hear? Hearing impaired? Hearing challenged? Hearing teacher? Hearing impaired. What do you call the document you need to travel abroad? Ticket? Passport? License? Passport. What is the term for a book that tells a story about someone's life? Novel. Biography. Magazine. Biography. What is the term for a person who plays a musical instrument? Conductor, composer, musician. Musician. What do you call the place where you can borrow books? Bookstore, library, museum. Library. What is the term for a long vacation taken by employees? Goat, holiday, sabbatical. Sabbatical. What do you call the person who flies an airplane? Driver, pilot, sailor. Pilot. What is the term for a person who repairs cars? Engineer, mortician, mechanic. Mechanic. What do you call the place where movies are shown? Theater, gallery, studio. Theater. What is the term for a person who designs buildings? Architect, builder, real estate broker. Architect. What do you call the document that shows your qualifications and work experience? Passport, resume, certification. Resume. What is the term for a person who serves food in a restaurant? Chef, waitress, attendant. Waitress. What do you call the place where sick people go for treatment? Hospital, grocery store, restaurant. Hospital. What is the term for a person who writes articles for newspapers? Biographer, novelist, journalist. Journalist. What is the antonym for ancient? Historic, modern, old. Modern. What is the synonym for exhausted? Happy, angry, tired. Tired. What do you call a bathroom in a public area? Toilet, restroom, arena. Restroom.
Great job! Like, share, and subscribe.